Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and I welcome you to the series of Azure Infrastructure as a Services exam code 70-533. Okay, so in the previous video we created an Azure SQL PaaS database and the server on which that database would be hosted. In this video I will tell you how you connect to a SQL PaaS using SQL authentication. So without wasting any more time, why did I use the word before? Oh, I was about to say before doing anything else, let's log on to Azure portal. Or I was trying to say without wasting any more time, let's log on to the Azure portal. Let's log on. I would have to rephrase it. I'm going to quickly log on. Let's log on means you are logging on to the Azure portal with me on your screen. It may or may not be possible. What am I talking about? Get back onto this. Connect to SQL PaaS using SQL authentication. I am going to log on to Azure portal, and you can do it at this point of time if you want, or you can do this lab later. Okay, so I am at my database test as a SQL. Well, there are quite few ways through which you can connect to this database. You can use your any web API, you can use your any code, you can use SQL Server Management Studio, or you can use this query editor. It's in preview mode as of now, but it's using your window SQL authentication that we are talking. Say, welcome to SQL Server Data Explorer. Please log in. If you click on it, it says login. Okay. I'll use SQL Server Authentication. I am not using Active Directory single sign-on because I do not have the AD synced up to this directory. I'm not using Active Directory password authentication. I do not have an on-premise AD to use the pass-through authentication or application proxy, which would, take the hash of my password to the Azure AD, which is my default directory, and then would validate that hash from the on-premise directory. I'm not using any of these. I'm using SQL Server Authentication. Okay, my username, it picked up my username because I created this login when I was creating this Azure, the database, if you remember. So I'll make sure that I remember my password. I click on OK. See, so it allowed me to log on to this database and show limited object explorer here. For full capability, please open SSTT. I'll let you know what is this. See, I do not have any tables as of now, right? Don't have any tables. So new query, you can select star run my specified table from. I don't have any table, so I would not run it. You can say open query. If you select on this, you have an inbuilt query, you can do it from here. Well, this was a pretty neat and short video in which you can connect to your SQL database PaaS on Azure using SQL Server Authentication. I hope this was informative to you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share it wherever it's possible and wherever you can. Bye-bye. Take care.